Welcome back to the channel. This is Azibase, your front row seat to the lives of Nigeria's elite. Today, we are stepping into the world of the one and only Pastor Enoch Adeboye Adeboye. Pastor Enoch Adeboye Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG. Born on March 2, 1942, in Ifwara, Osun State, Pastor Adeboye is a globally recognized spiritual leader. Pastor Adeboye's net worth is estimated at $53 million, equivalent to 72 billion naira. His wealth comes from his vast ministry, worldwide influence, and far-reaching investments, making him one of Nigeria's wealthiest pastors. He lives in a luxurious mansion in Lagos, owns high-end vehicles like Range Rovers and Mercedes-Benz, and has access to a private jet for his international ministry travels. Known for his powerful teachings, healings, and deliverances, Pastor Adeboye has led RCCG to become one of the world's largest churches. The annual Holy Ghost Congress attracts millions, and RCCG has over 180 branches worldwide. Pastor Enoch Adeboye's journey of faith and success continues to inspire millions. If you love exclusive access to Nigeria's finest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Azibase, stay connected.